Cool. Nottingham Forest rebuild. Okay. So we've got Leeds, Lincoln, Gateshead, Stoke, Blackburn, Sheffield United. We have a league. Yeah, it's very, very average. Squad. Again, very, very average. You can see just how many of these players haven't played in the Premier League. So look at emails. Stadium advertising. I sent details of stadium. Yep. Sports broadcasters have confirmed TV money for the coming season will be £32 million. Will be distributed evenly between all clubs in the league. A share of this is £5.5 million. Will be paid across weekly season. Okay, cool. Fixtures. Leeds, Lincoln, Gateshead. Then first game of the season against Stoke. Who we got last? Birmingham. Nice. Okay, so start by getting rid of all Deadwood, which is Steve Cooper out. Bring in a better keeper. Valverde. Bring him in. There we go, a better manager. Okay, so we're going to start from the bare basics, which is not great, but you know. Start by bringing in some money. Start bringing in some good players. Terminate the contract to those players that don't do well. Of those players that sometimes don't perform. Because as a manager, there's nothing worse than them not following your philosophy you've picked. For example, here, look, one for direct. Okay, ticket prices, colour price, nice. So we are going to start by bringing the budget back to what they used to be. Bring in some more. Bring in 20 mil. Finally bring in another 20 mil. So, there we go, bring some wage up. Right. So, we're not going to do managers and staff just yet. Okay, we can only get from July to May. Nice. Bring in Kamara. he suits our playing style there. In the editing, I'll show you exactly what I mean. And what's 26k a week? Assistant Manager 3, John Edwards, again a direct manager. Give him 28k. Another manager we need to bring in is an under 23s. And we need a direct manager. He'll do. No, they're not all the same nationality, but that doesn't matter. Got we need an attacking goalkeeper, defence and possession. Need a new physio, that's what else we need. I think Mark Rowe really good. Member of staff. Also, within the game, what we can do, look at the board, upper mid-table, okay. FA Cup last 16, Academy upgrade to level 3, can't do that just yet, we'll do that tomorrow. I'll do that off camera. Okay, you don't want doing it, okay. Yeah, he's a passing, okay. Interaction, change philosophy. Shut up. Bring it in. Could go with Robin van Persie, you know. Bring in a physio. See, we could go with Paul Terry from West Brom. Beside him, £1,000 compensation, physiotherapist. Also, with this, trying to buy loads of what are they called? They're called the same philosophy. So, for example, if we went for let's say we went for O'Connor, right? He wouldn't fit him because his philosophy isn't great. And if we somehow went with someone like if you need to buy someone randomly, just buy them. But what I've seen is if you go for people with free your style and you filter it down to the direct style, these are all the coaches that give the same playing style you want. For example, here we go with D Watson. Okay. We'll go with 8,000. Lovely jubbly. Make sure we're still recording. We are. Same night to the next day. So we don't want to be stuck on the same day. You can see here, look. Our staff are very happy. squad isn't as great as I thought it was going to be. We do need to get rid of some of the deadwood in this team. People like Harry Arter are too old. People like Figueiredo won't improve. Okay, so just wait for it to go to okay. One of the head coach Sousa. He's got loads of things he could be. But we'll go with head coach, which is what he used to be. Also, you want to try and buy free agents. You don't buy players outright, you want to just buy free agents. All you need to do, buy free agents. Like here, look, you got B. Spencer Adams. I'm not going to buy him. His rating's too low for our team. Okay, so obviously we're doing Nottingham Forest rebuild. So I know they've gone to the Prem in real life, but can we get them up to the Prem in Club Soccer Director? Obviously we've got Steve Cooper. We used to have Steve Cooper if you look at the picture, but now we've got Valverde, which is a really good manager. Obviously in the edits we'll show you who we've bought, who we haven't, everything like that. And then obviously we'll show you their potentials, we'll show you this, that and the other, which obviously is going to be a bit better than me just buying player and then going, yeah, accept that. Again here, look, we've got some really good little players. Not players, staff. So our first game of the Championship is going to be against Stoke. Let's have a look who our transfer targets are. I am hoping that Carl Langren comes up. Right, key transfer targets. Got a few good keepers in there, you know. Got Gazaniga, Rossetti, Venditti, Gonzalez. We'll go with... I know I said don't buy them outright, but we need to go with a keeper outright. ASAP. I like this little feature as well. 50k, and he's signed. Love this little feature. Okay, and obviously we are going to be using that as probably a thumbnail or like a edit. My battery is going down. Regional partner, yeah, that's good. Luka Jovic on loan. Good little loaney. Okay, so Luka Jovic's in on loan. Who else did they say about having on transfers? Asamoah Jordan, Jack Wilshere, Eduardo Shatov, Dyer Celso, Kichi, Freeman, Vargas, Payne. Who's got most points on transfer target? James Taylor. Okay. See if we could buy any of these. Chorluka maybe? Dijic. Okay. 2nd of July. So that is going to be... We're going to make one more sign, then that'll be that for today. Dijic gone to Tigres. See, we want to sign someone good, but we don't want to go with anyone overly good. Jack Wilshere, he's only 29, which is good. Attributes. Okay. Prefers a passing. No, thank you. Davy Proper. Passing. Not really my style. But Shatov. Passing again. You know what, we'll go with this. We'll go with Shatov. Even though he's Russian, we'll go with him. There we go. Shatov's in the club. We will just screenshot that. Like so. And then one final sign, and we will basically, that'll be that for today. You know what? For a 16-year-old, 55 rate is good. Gronkfist. Don't have any youth there. Can we sign Foden on loan? Ben Godfrey, maybe? There we go. Hansi Flick, the new Everton manager, is he? No, Ben, you're not having that much, mate. Let me sort the wages out. I am having 100,000 in debt. Okay. So is the city ground we're at. If you want to see a custom club, let's get, not I want to set light goal 2k. If we can get 2k, I'll do a custom club. But for now, we're going to look at bringing Foden in. He is persuadable. They want 120 mil for him. What about? How about Carlan Grant? You know what? It is a possibility. 24 mil. Valerian, no. I'm going with it anyway. Really? So we could get another centre back and another striker today. Okay. Ben Godfrey. Off a contract. There we go. It's going to be our second to last signing for this summer window. Okay, so Ben Godfrey's in. Again, that might be a thumbnail for a different video. However, we are looking at bringing in new players and get Forest up to the Premier League like this. So where is... There he is. He's contracted to the Hawthorns until 2026, but we're going to take him here at Forest. It's not like it's a bad move either. That's a class signing as well. Love that. Transfer listed on free. Idrissa Gueye could join us. Bendeski. Let's have a look at the team, see what we need next episode. So, next episode we need... What do we need? We definitely need some more defenders. Probably need another left winger, right winger. A squad need depth for sure as well. Luis Diaz. I mean, he's a good signing. That's all our funds gone as well. If we can get Luis Diaz in as well, I'll be a very, very happy bunny. Because... I think Luis Diaz offers some squad speed. Let's have a look. Luis Diaz. I'm hoping he's asking for a lot. Really unhappy. I'm really hoping that. Good lad, Luis. Setting these out on loan. Didn't want that. Okay, we're good. So now I've actually got some players in that are really, really good. I'm really, really happy with that. Yeah. That makes me a happy bunny. Seeing all these. So we're gonna, there we go. Okay, so that is gonna be the end of that video. Next episode will be tomorrow. Peace.